Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to create a database in Confluence, I'm going to show you all the weird and wonderful ways you can do just that. Ladies and gentlemen, creating a database in Confluence is very simple. All you'll have to do is go up to the top over here. You will see a create button. Go ahead, click on it, and you'll see database. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, it'll give you a name, which you can, of course, change. So all you'd have to do is click on this. And let's just say we are going to just call it database and give it a number. So database 001, let's hit enter, and here's our database. Now, you can go ahead and you can add in all the details here that you would like to add in manually. You can also go and import via a CSV file. You can use Jira or Confluence from a different space. If you are wanting to use a template, this would be fantastic. You can see that there are different templates. You can go ahead, whatever it is that you would like to import or use as a template, go ahead and click on it. So I'm going to click on this content calendar. You can see this is now my database. Okay, let's close this. This is my entire database. Now on the top, you can see here that it is saved, and there are a few options over here. So go ahead and explore that. But ultimately, you have now created a database. Of course, you can add different views. So if you go ahead, you can edit that view. So whatever it is that you'd like to edit here, you can now go ahead and edit every one of the elements that are in here.